Hi friends, it's Liz here at Liz the Paper Project. Today I am sharing a design project for Tsunami Rose, and this is using the birds, bees, and peonies, the digital kits. I will link everything below that I have used. And for this cutie, I made one of my paper bag junk journals, and that's with the paper bag for the cover. I have a video, actually a tutorial that I will link below, showing you how to make one of these bags for yourself. I will leave that video linked below, but right now I'm just going to show you how I put this cutie together. I absolutely love paper bags, as you guys may know, and I just love making things with paper bags, and this is one of my favorite sizes. So for the cover of this one, I just added a few pieces that were from the kits, and then just made a little pocket and just added some additional pieces. And I love how bright and colorful this kit is, you know, because it takes you out of the kind of vintage feel of everything. So you can see here the front pocket is the paper bag. And I just added a piece that you can journal on. And you've got a nice large pocket to tuck additional ephemera in. I made another little pocket here. And I have used other pieces from Tsunami Rose that I had in a, you know, kind of like my little stash. So I've just kind of loaded this little bag with different pieces. I love the different colors. Here I added a tag that looks like it's been stitched on, and I think she adds these, she had a free available, like a set of these for free. And then here's just a piece of really nice thick graph paper, and I stamped, you know, kind of vintage with this big, large vintage stamp. I don't know if you guys can see it there. I just stamped some of the numbers there because I wanted to use that large stamp. So then just little bits and pieces, as I always like to add, little pockets and tuck spots, lots of ephemera, vintage book pages that I thought coordinated really well with you know, with this coffee stained doily. And there is a variety of coffee stained paper and sprayed pages, etc. So here you've got additional writing space, more vintage book pages. This bag is from Janine's shop at J9 Scraps. She has them in different sizes. I love these little envelopes. I love mini things, you guys, as you know. I've also been working on another mini that I'll show you guys soon when I'm fully finished with it. I just added some pieces as little tuck spots, and these are just tickets. And then on this belly band, I just added another piece from, I think this is one of the other kits that I was using, because like I said, I combined a bunch of different ones. I made a little tag here, and this has a fabric tab. There's the center. It's so beautiful. And then here's got a little bit of lace. And then this tag I made with a vintage book page, and I backed it with cardstock so you can write on it. Got a little lace top there, and then this envelope opens up all the way for secrets and, you know, extra journaling, etc. And then here we've got another little tuck spot with additional cute pieces, honey for sale, and then flip up there. The other side of the paper, the glassine bag. And then here I just added a larger piece of coffee stained paper that you can journal on. And then this is ephemera that I added from the kits. So I did make sure to leave lots of larger pages that you could use for journaling. Here in this pocket, look how cute this is, right? This is from, I think it's one of those index cards. I forgot what they're called. But anyways, I found them in that color. And then here's more journaling space in this pocket. And I think this one is from like a Oh my gosh, I forgot the name of the kit that this one came from, and I'm sorry, I'm trying to put this back in, but I probably won't be able to. I will do that afterwards. So that tucks in there. And then here just used a little piece of printed vellum, and then just, you know, kind of layering of scraps. So here is the first little flip out, and you've got what looks like a little, I guess like a little money kind of thing. And then here we've got little tucks. So on this first little tuck here, this is Tim Holtz something or other. I just made a little tag. And then the first pocket there has another piece of ephemera. You can see the pocket there. And then this pocket here has another coin envelope with another journaling card. You can use both sides. And I've also made sure to add the back of it here has another pocket, and this is from Janine's shop at J9 Scraps, and I just made this into like a larger pocket for a tag. So that's like, I guess, 4 pockets within this little spot here. Here you've got a tiny little tag that's behind the butterfly, and then here you have a few more pieces of ephemera. So lots of places to tuck things in, lots of journaling spaces, and lots of hidden little places, etc. So I hope you guys enjoyed the share. Questions, comments, please leave them below, and I think this will be listed in my shop. So if you don't see it, just shoot me an email. I may have not had a chance to upload it by the time you see the video. Don't forget to check out the link below where I will show you how to make one of these yourself. I will link that below, and as always, questions, comments, please leave them below. Thanks so much for stopping by.